What up, YouTube? Welcome back. This episode of Chef and Chefette Kitchen. Chef and Chefette Kitchen. So, you know, all the pork lovers and the ham eater, Stacy gonna walk us through her secret recipe and how to get this thing the proper way. So, she have a pork shoulder over here about 15 pounds and ham.
Yes.
There's a pork shoulder?
No.
Anyhow, ham, yeah. About 15 pounds, the uncut one. So, she's gonna start her thing.
So you're gonna start by slicing it, just take your time, slice it up so the juice can go through it because this is not the pre-sliced one, right? So I'm just gonna freestyle it. Put like a slice. So when I juice it, that when I'm basting it, the juice get to go in. I'll flip it over here. Do the same thing. Not too deep. Just enough so the
Season and the spice that should.
there you go.
And the steam.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So over here she have some cherry and she have pineapple. Sliced pineapple. She already pulled one container of pineapple. And this is the liquid from the cherry over here and also the juice from the pineapple. Canned
apple cider
pineapple, of
vinegar.
course. And a little splash of apple cider vinegar. So basically, she also decorate a thing, yeah, with the pineapple and the berry. Yeah. So where you learn the recipe, yeah?
YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, and she kinda lost her manual, so we about it up, right?
Yeah. At this point, I
Just want to get in the oven.
don't lost my manual. I don't need a manual. So now I'm using the cherry. You want some?
Not touch a pig yet.
No, yeah, we can have these.
Oh. So it'll be a cherry pineapple flavor?
It's gonna be like a honey glaze flavor with a little salt with the come with. Really nice.
You teach her this, Mr. White? You teach her this?
What?
You teach this? Quick learner.
Daddy teach me how to cook curry chicken and fish and stew peas, Jamaican thing. Right, Daddy? All right, so now that we do this, I'm gonna let this stay for a minute. I'm gonna put these on the stove. Oh, I'm gonna use some of this sage powder,
Sage.
I'm gonna say
Stage.
whatever, cinnamon, and ground cloves
To do what?
to make the sauce to throw on it.
Oh, so if you didn't get that, she's gonna make her own sauce. As I said, it's her secret recipe. So she used cinnamon powder and some ground cloves and of course some sage. And she's gonna whip it up with some brown sugar, some honey of course, and the liquid from the pineapple juice and the cherry juice with some apple cider vinegar. Yeah. So next, this is where the magic happen. cherry juice with the pineapple juice, little apple cider vinegar, and some brown sugar. Mm-hmm. Up next, some. What did you gonna say, some?
Next some honey.
Yeah, no.
About her.
No. Yeah. She had these things so long. She has these
Quarter cup.
freestyle. No exact measurement does. There being some onion, some cinnamon powder.
Here we have the cinnamon powder. Like a tablespoon. Another tablespoon of ground clove. And some sage. And I'm gonna also put a little lemon juice so it don't taste too sweet. Take away a little of the sweetness. And stir it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna throw it on the ham and put it in the oven to bake.
So we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes.
Make love to each other. Get to know each other, right?
Get to know each other. Yeah, and take it to the next step. So continue to watch it. Yeah. Yeah, so Stacy sauce already boiled. Boiled for about 10 minutes.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. In the back.
I'm gonna take this to the next step. So the next step is bring it over here and apply it to the pig. Yeah. Pig man.
Look good already.
You want to taste it?
Raw. You look nice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You want some now?
Nah. Good.
So now we're gonna just cover it up and let it base it every 30 minutes and let it sit and cook for about 2.5 hours.
The oven already set?
Yeah, the oven already supposed to be 325, but I put it on 350.
You said that?
Yeah, not the lower of it.
So after she done base it, she put it in the oven. Oven already set for 350 bake.
Gonna put it all the way at the bottom. That's it.
How long?
2 hours. About 6 o'clock.
Yeah, so 2 hours time she check in again, and by then hopefully it fully ready, you know?
Yes.
Still at it, check in on the arm. How it looks, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
I'm going to give it a bit.
They call this glaze.
Yes, nice. I don't people eat pork.
Yes, that's she know people don't eat pork. So you want to take it out every 20 minutes and glaze it a little, you know? Yeah. So it's partially baked, so we'll put it inside the oven now for about another 20 minutes.
Uncover.
Uncovered without the foil over it. So within 10 minutes or so, should be good. Yeah.
Oh.
So this is what it's like after 20 minutes in the oven. Yeah. Ooh. Courtesy of Stacy. So please comment down below. Let us know how she did. If she did a good job, let us know. Thank you all for watching. And please, if you ever try this menu and you like it, please come back and let us know how it's.
Cheers.
Yeah, if you like this menu and you tried it, please come back and comment down below. Let us know what you think about it and how it tastes. It's a bit crispy over here, but it's all good. Nice. Ooh.